SRI, CNA at PEI for regular employees. Ano naman ang asahan o ma-receive ng mga COS o job order workers ng mga government offices? Ito po yung tanong, Sir or President BBM. Ano nga po ang ibigay ninyo sa mga contract of service at job order workers ng mga government offices po? Marami po yan sila, Sir or President BBM. Meron ba kayong directive or guidelines or AO para sa gratuity pay nila? Ayan. Kasi po last year nagbigay kayo ng 5K gratuity pay for COS at job order workers, right? Maging 10K ba ngayon this year? Sana po. Para maging happy naman ang mga COS at JO workers, right? So i-pray po natin yan, friends, na magbigay si President Bongbong Marcos sa mga contract of service at job order workers sa LGU or local government unit, SUCs, state universities and colleges, NGAs, national government agencies, GOCCs, government-owned and controlled corporation, and other government offices. Abangan po namin yan, Sir or President BBM. Sana before New Year or December 31, 2024. Alright? So lahat ng mga COS at job order workers, keep watching my YouTube channel. Kasi po pag may good news para sa inyo, gawa natin agad ng new video. Alright? Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.